Top 5 home remedies to treat diabetes at home. High blood sugar levels are one of the most common health issues these days. This is the problem which is deteriorating the health of mankind. One can't take this health issue lightly because the increased sugar levels in the body lead to various health hazards. Hyperglycemia is the term used for the increased blood sugar levels. Signs and symptoms of increased blood sugar may include fatigue, increased urination, weight loss, excessive thirst, and blurred vision. To control the high blood sugar levels, there are various home remedies available in our kitchen. Indian blackberry or black plum Indian blackberry, commonly called as jamun. It is also considered as the one of best home remedy for high blood sugar levels. All the plant's parts like bark, seeds and leaves are packed with therapeutic properties to manage the high blood sugar levels. Seeds of this plant contain the glycoside which helps to prevent the conversion of starch into sugar. Directions to use. Take the jamun seeds and make the powder of the jamun seeds. Take 1 teaspoonful of this powder along with a glass of warm water every day until you notice the changes. Alternatively, you may consume 6 to 7 jamus in the morning. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is loaded with glucomannan, a soluble dietary fiber which helps to lower down the glucose levels. Hence, this glucomannan acts as a hypoglycemic substance which reduces blood sugar effectively. It also contains the phytosterols that possess the anti-glycemic properties, help to manage the high blood sugar levels. This plant also helps to clean the body and extrude the excess glucose from the bloodstream. On the other hand, it regulates the secretion of insulin and thus wards off the symptoms of diabetes. Directions to use. Drink 5 to 10 ml aloe vera juice 2 times daily. Consume it 2 times in a day before having your lunch and dinner. Bitter gourd. Karela is common name of bitter gourd. It is considered as the one of the most effective home remedy for hyperglycemia. It possesses the phytochemical compounds like charatin and momordisin, which helps to lower down the high blood sugar levels. Besides this, it also contains the biochemical compound plant insulin polypeptide P. This bioactive compound has the similar properties like insulin, which help to manage the blood sugar levels naturally in the body. Directions to use. Consume 30 to 40 ml of bitter gourd juice 2 times in a day. Drink this juice on an empty stomach in morning for best results. Flax seeds. Use of flax seed is also quite effective to lower the blood sugar levels naturally. It contains the high content of soluble fiber, which helps to reduce blood sugar levels and increases insulin levels. Besides this being rich in the fiber, flax seeds also slow down the absorption of fats and sugar and from blood. Directions to use. One can consume the 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder along with a glass of warm water or milk in every morning on an empty stomach. Do it 2 times in a day for best results. These are all the top 5 remedies to treat diabetes at home.